look at that glare. Jeez. Should have had a hat on. I don't have one out here. So, where are the Jimmy videos? Good question. I got the editing program figured out. They did an update, and it's been working again. It's been working very well. I've been playing around with it all day. I haven't started haven't started editing anything for the Jimmy. I've got a couple of videos from the 84. I've got a couple of Oldsmobile frame videos, and I've been playing around with those to get them done and out of the way. I haven't posted them yet, but they're edited and they're ready to go. So I went back onto YouTube and was looking at where I left off, and that was with the cam break-in video. That was back in mid or late May. I didn't realize it was that long. So I got some stuff to do. I thought I had put something up on the bearings and the brakes, but I guess not. So gonna have to go back through and figure out, do I want to do each set of videos as a separate series, do all the bearing stuff and all the issues we had with that, and then the brakes, getting all that squared away, or do I want to do kind of a recap video just to bring you guys up to speed? Thinking I'm going to do the series, just kind of like I was doing in the past with all the individual days and whatnot, but that's probably going to be the more difficult because I have to figure out where the brakes are. But I'm also going to go back through and find all the footage that I have and get that into separate files so it's easier to find, so I can segregate them out and whatnot. But Jimmy videos are coming. Stay tuned. I had a few people ask about that on the last Oldsmobile video showing the motor. Look at the inside of that valve cover, huh? Not too bad. But that valve cover cleaned up pretty good. This one's fairly clean on the outside. Gonna work on the inside. Got one more day off on this long Labor Day weekend, so I'll be painting that. Close my alcohol container there. I'm gonna evaporate. Oh, here's a Jimmy part. Hands are clean. From the Jimmy. What is it? Yeah. It's all painted, fresh, ready to go. Actually, it's going to get another coat of paint, but yeah, coming along. So stay tuned. We'll get stuff up. It's going to take me a little bit of time to get everything figured out. Just no matter where I go, I got too much light glaring. Like I said, should have had a hat on. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting it figured out. I'm just pleased to see that the company that has that editing program, that they got it all figured out. And I thought that was a socket for a second. So just stay tuned. We'll get something soon. I'm not going to say when, but I've uploaded a couple of videos. One was Kevin's cat. Just did that one earlier tonight, and the other one was the one for this motor and whatnot. So just kind of playing with the program a little bit with the new update. And like I said, I've got other stuff that's pretty complicated, putting lots of clips together and throwing music in there and stuff that I was doing. So they're coming out. They're going pretty easy again. So I'm happy with that. I think I complained enough, and they listened to me. So that being said, I'm going to shut things down out here. Time to wind her down. It's 11:15 in the evening. 21 degrees Celsius, it says, on the 3rd of September. Summer's over. So we'll catch you all here shortly. Get you some Jimmy videos. Got some Oldsmobile videos. Got some stuff coming up here. So stay tuned. We'll get back in the swing of things. Catch y'all in the next one. That'll be good.